Pleasant Goat Fun Class! Sports are fun! Hot-blooded volleyball!
Do you want to work up a sweat just like I did? Then come play volleyball. We have a volleyball training course.
Volleyball looks like an interesting sport.
I think we should go learn volleyball together.
Huh? Go higher! Pull me up higher! Hurry up and go higher! Come play volleyball!
So the advertisement was all a lie?
Is that really how you play volleyball?
Why is volleyball so boring? Volleyball isn't boring at all. Why don't you let me show you what volleyball is really like? You start in the serving zone. And you can serve the ball with a little jump. The ball will then pass above the net. And your team scores a point if it hits the ground. Yeah!
So volleyball can actually be a lot more interesting.
Let's go!
I want to learn how to play!
Could there be other places in green grasslands where they could play volleyball? Patty and Sparky went off to find out. And soon, Patty and Sparky ended up in the forest. He thought that serving the ball against a tree trunk would be good practice. Oh no, it's Wolffy. Now let's go over and take a look at the place Sparky found. Oh, he found a beach. The sea breeze can be so relaxing.
Come on, Patty! It's a good day for a game of beach volleyball!
As you can see, volleyball can be played in other places too. The beach makes for a good venue for a game.
Oh, what a powerful move! The dogs have successfully blocked the serve.
The dog team has such tall players.
Of course they are, and the hairs are too short to play against them.
They're going to lose!
There is no way the Hares will lose.
Look at that! The hair team is leading the game right now. Do you see what's happening? It is unbelievable!
What? The Hares are leading? No way that's true!
Hey! The Hares are far from being the tallest team here, but they make up for it in how high they can jump!
If you think about it, height should not be a problem. Because what's more important is how high you can jump and how you work together with your team. That is how you win the game. Good luck, friends!
Hey, that's my new volleyball!
Well, which one of these balls belongs to you, my dear?
This shiny golden volleyball is the one that's mine.
Wolffy, no, don't lie to her. Our volleyball is covered in stripes. It has some blue lines, some yellow lines, and also some white.
Oh, you're an honest child. I like you. You can take all those balls home. Mwah!
That's not fair!
A dishonest child like him, however, must be punished.
I don't want these two volleyballs, miss. Can you please just turn Wolffy back to normal?
Oh, such a kind little child. Remember, kids, you must always, always be honest.
Okay, we will. Thanks for that, I guess.